youngest TTT speed modeling tournament champion ever. He loves cycling, but doesn't have a cycle. He loves to speed run in video games like GTA and Cyberpunk. And we got Ricardo Jean says, I love my wife. She is all to me. SolidWorks user since 2006 version, 18 CAD years. Yo, that is a long time. Also, my brother and father are designers with SolidWorks. I'm Brazilian and Italian, speak fluently in both the languages. And over the years of SolidWorks, have used SolidWorks in different languages. Very cool. Tournament champion versus tournament champion, battling it out here in this Elite 8. The winner of these battles will win a 3D printer. Here we go. This CAD versus CAD battle begins in 3, 2, 1. Go! What is the mass of this part in XXXX grams? Tolerance is plus or minus 1 gram, and this is a tier 4 part called the wire thimble. Both of our runners are grabbing a screen capture of this part. Both of our runners are jumping into their CAD system. Let's see how they do with this one. Little bit of a blast from the past, this one, but not an easy model. So we see here that Mehtab on the left running SolidWorks has started with a circle. Ricardo Jean on the right running SolidWorks has started with 2 circles and a tangent arc, mirroring that tangent arc across. And look at Mehtab following him in step. Wow, wow, wow. Both runners starting out with the same geometry. Oh, but Mehtab kind of mixing it up a little bit, changing his path there. And looks like he's going to be doing a mid-plane extrusion. And Mehtab draws first blood, getting that first solid feature in place. And we see Ricardo Jean getting in here and taking a very similar approach and extruding almost the exact same sketch. Guys, this is pretty cool. Both of these runners have been in the Toby community for a while, so they may have seen a part similar to this one. But of course, we always change things up for the tournament. One of the things about this part that's a little tricky is getting that sketch located that they're both working on now. So let's see how they handle this. So it looks like Mehtab has created that geometry, has added in the appropriate relationships, and is adding in that offset dimension, locking that sketch down black, fully constrained. That's what we hope for when we are working in 3D CAD. And we see Ricardo Jean on the right fighting with that sketch a little bit. Man, we've all been there, Ricardo. That is a difficult situation to be in, and he's trying to get through it here. And interesting, Mehtab on the left launching the shell command, using the shell command to try to get this thing into its shape. That's a very interesting way to approach this model, and I gotta say, I kind of like it. I mean, I know that's his favorite command, and look at that thing. Wow, that really came together quickly. And Mehtab blasting through this thing. Ricardo Jean, unfortunately, hitting a wall here with that sketch. And I think that anybody who's out there who has worked with SolidWorks before knows how frustrating that can be. And it looks like he was finally able to get through that sketch. Well done, my friend. And wow, Mehtab on the left really blasting through this model and coming in with an answer. 1101 grams. And that is correct. And holy smokes, guys, that was a tier 4 model. And I think Mehtab finished that in just a few minutes. And look at this, Ricardo Jean. Is he going to put it in the chat? Ricardo Jean brought up the mass on his screen. There it is, 1101 grams as well. Wow, wow, wow. Both of our runners coming into the chat within a few moments of one another. That is super impressive modeling from both of our runners. My goodness, that's a tier 4 part, guys. And these guys both just blasted through that in a few minutes. And man, if Ricardo hadn't gotten stuck on that one sketch, who knows, that battle could have gone to either of our runners. But wow, that was so fast. And GG to Mehtab earning that point. Wow, good job, my friend. Good game to Mehtab earning that first point. Of course, you got to win 2 points to move on to the final 4 to win yourself a 3D printer. But my goodness, that was super, super fast on that model. Well done to Mehtab. Wow, wow. Shell always amazes me. Yeah, Marco in the chat. Yeah, it's interesting.